Hello, this video is about the ISP4520 development kit, and we're going to do an unboxing of this kit. But before we do that, let's just briefly remind ourselves what the ISP4520 actually is. So this is a highly integrated module incorporating LoRa and BLE radios. And it also has integrated antennas, which makes it quite a unique device, especially given its miniature size of 17 by 10 millimeters. There really isn't much else like this on the market available. So in this module, you have a BLE radio from Nordic Semiconductor, and that has an integrated microprocessor. And that integrated microprocessor serves as the host microprocessor to drive a Semtech LoRa chip, a LoRa transceiver, to generate the LoRa and handle the LoRa over the air. So you can find out more about this product at our website, where there's the address on this slide. So since this is an unboxing video, we have to start with the box. So this is the ISP4520 development kit in its box. So we open this up, and inside the components are neatly held in place like this. So then what I'll do is I'll lay these out, and then I'll explain what each one is. So what we find when we take out all the components of this development kit is 3 boards and some cables, basically. So starting with this one, this is the interface board. This is a standard Insight SIP product that allows you to program anything which has a Nordic Semiconductor BLE microprocessor chip on board. So with this board, you can plug it into the PC, connect the development tools, and download software, debug it, and all those sort of things. And it's a standard component that goes with all our development kits where you have a Nordic device inside. The 2 parts specific to the ISP4520 development kit are a receive board. So this has the ISP4520 module here, and this is designed to be used as a receiver, and via this USB you can then plug that into a PC to receive some data over LoRa using this board. And then the other board is a transmit board, which also has a LoRa module mounted here in the corner here, and this one also allows you easy connection via these connection points to the IOs on the module. And the idea is you can then power this up and then use this to transmit data that will be received by the receive board. Also included are some cables. So these ribbon cables connect the test board along these connections here to the interface board, with the connections on this end. So this allows the module to be programmed, and then you can also access the pins and other things on this interface board. So here I've jumped ahead to setting up the simplest demo. So what we have here is the interface board, which, although it's off screen, is connected to my PC. You can't see that, but it is, trust me. And then that interface board is connected by the ribbon cables to the test board. And then the receive board, as you can see, is plugged into my PC via the USB port. And so what we've done to make it very easy for you just simply to get going on this is preloaded the temperature example. So on the transmit board here, transmit test board, you have a temperature measurement, and that is transmitted via LoRa to the PC. So if you open up a terminal on the PC, then you can see the temperature data arriving. So if I just put that up, so this is now a capture of my screen, and you can see the LoRa data, temperature data being received and being received by the board, and then this is just being displayed on a serial terminal on my PC. Now those programs are preloaded as executables onto the receive board and the test board, but we also supply, you can get hold of all the source code for those examples so you can see how they work and what they're doing. So in order to go further than just these simple preloaded examples, you need to start digging into the source code, and we have quite a lot of good resources to help you do this. So here we have the insights at GitHub, so just github.com/insightszip, and under the 4520 examples, you will see quite a lot of things. So if I just briefly tell you what's available there, you have quite a good description here, and what we have is firstly the temperature example that you've seen working. You have all the source code for that. You have some simple ping pong to send data at a very basic level across LoRa, and then you have LoRaWAN stacks that are adapted to the module. So you have then full capability to communicate with a third-party LoRaWAN gateway using the LoRaWAN standard. So you have a lot of stuff there that can form the basis of your own application. So that's pretty much it for this introductory video. It's just a quick overview of what you get in the kit and what you can do with it, and pointing you to some further resources. There's a lot of information on our website, data sheets and application notes, so dive in there for more information. And we can also provide support online by email and so on. So I hope that's given you a good idea of what it is, and I hope you have some fun using it. Thank you.